Hello everybody. Today I am teaching you how to format your Word documents. So first things first, as you can see, it starts out with Calibri Body as your font, which is not at all what we want. We want Times New Roman. So we're going to change to Times New Roman, size 12, and then we are going to change our paragraph style. Right now it's on multiple. We want double, no spaces between our paragraphs, and click OK. For the most part, our margins should be in the right place already, but you can double check by going to Layouts, Margins, and you want 1 inch on your top, bottom, left, and right. Now, if we go back to the home page, we can save this as our default so that we never have to format it again. You go in, you click Create a Style, and whatever you have changed, it will apply to this style. So this is going to be my default style, and it shows you what that will look like. Click OK, and there it is, default style. Now we can type and it will automatically double space for us. If we want to do any other text changes, however, we still have to use our taskbar. So that is how you format a Word document. There is also heading options. If you're doing APA, just double click and you can add what you need. Double click on the main document to get back. Or if you're doing MLA, your header will go on this main page. Name, class, teacher, and the date. If you have any questions, feel free to consult me in class. Otherwise, have a great day.